Now Taria and Hanah, are you ready? Just ring the bell to get the answers, okay? You can run fast, Hanah. Good, can't you? Okay. You can run fast, can't you? They play football very well. Play. Come on. They play football very well. Come on. What's that? You? Do they? And you? Did you have the answer? Huh? Does they? Okay, let's see. Don't stay, okay? Why? Here we got, it has to be negative. But the negative one for present, it means do for they, right? It has to be don't. Don't stay. Rồi, okay. Taria still one, right? Or Hanah? Hanah one. Try up. Now let's see. It isn't. You, Hanah? Very warm today. Good. Is it? It isn't very warm today, is it? You aren't. You? Are you? Okay, good teacher. But she's good for the last. For the left, are you? For Hanah? Yeah, for Hanah. Try up, Taria. You was watching. Was. You, Hanah? Was he. And you? Taria, you remember was. So, Taria, try up. What's that? Come on, you can do it. Was or wasn't? Were or weren't? You? Huh? Say loudly. He. Okay, good. That's right. Wasn't he? Okay. Understand, but sometimes. Okay, guys. So it means 1 and 4. Try up. Has written. You? Huh? Has or hasn't? Yes, that's right. Hasn't he? Okay. 5 for you. 5-1. Next one. You had lunch. You? I know, had or hadn't.
You had lunch.
You had lunch. You mean had or hadn't? Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Hadn't. Hadn't you? 3 for you. She can't speak. You? Good. Can she? Okay. 6 and 2. No more. Okay. 6-2. Thank you.